Okay, pool players, episode 36, bottom of the second ball, 39-degree cut. Let's go ahead and get started.
All right, guys, our rail increment is 9/8. I'm lined up to the 6-ball angle as was studied in the introduction. I'm hitting the bottom side of the 5-ball headed towards the 8-ball with the cue ball. So I'm going to use a stunt draw to keep the cue ball from scratching or getting close to the scratch. I'm going to use a full stroke, guys. Okay, I fibbed slightly. I decided to take a medium stroke while I was down the shot. Sorry, but I wanted to try a little something different. I have played this shot before, so I know sometimes if you hit it too hard, you end up plastering balls back up. Okay, I'm going to try to hit the 5-ball, guys. I feel like I can create some good stuff with that. I might get stuck. There's no insurance here, so this is probably the wrong shot, but I just feel good about it. Okay, I missed the 5-ball, so maybe that's why I felt good about it. All right. Well, all these balls go here now, so it was semi-productive. I'm going to play position on the 10 in the 4. Get the 4 out of there so I have a full pocket for the 3. We'll go forward with this and play position on the 3-ball. Might have already stroked this. I got a little fortunate. I think I can make the 9. I can. Okay. So we're okay. Slight error, but no harm, no foul. I'm going to try to come down. Actually, I'm going to play position on the 2, use the 2 to get on the 14 ball. With the 14, I can push the 8 into the 5 and have shape on the 1. So let's play for the 2. We're going to play off the 2 to the 14 ball. Actually, we're going to play for the 8 ball. The 14 doesn't go easily. The 8 does, so I'm going to roll down just a little bit. Okay, I got a little steep on the 8, so I'm not going to take it because it's not going to work out in my favor. So I'm going to play the 15 first. Draw back, try to get on the 8 now. Actually, guys, I'm going to play a stop shot. I can play the 1 then. A little easier to execute. I play the 1. Okay, I really want to get on this 8 ball. If I get on this 8 ball, I can push the 5 out and I have insurance with the 3 ball. Okay, I just missed the mark. So I'm going to push the 14 down instead. I'm going to use that as my break shot, and I'm going to have to figure out a way to get on it, but let's go ahead and just push the 14 down. Looks like a 12-11-5 is the pattern. make sure I got good on this 11. so I could get perfect on this 5. I'm actually going to leave the angle that I go to the rail and out, so I really want to be right around here. Just about a ball past. I actually like this break shot, guys, so we're going to count that and move on.
Okay, pool players, this concludes episode 36. As you can see with this cut angle, we're getting a really nice spread of the balls. Allows for a lot of opportunities to create break balls and key balls. You'll notice in this particular episode, I created a underneath the stack break shot instead of the side of the pack break shot. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope you guys are having similar results at home or in your pool halls. And take care, guys. Feel free to send PM messages or write a comment below and I'll try to respond. Thanks. Have a great day or night, and I'll see you at the next angle.